In this video, we'll have a quick review for significant figures. Rule number 1. All non-zero digits are significant. For example, 1288 is 4 significant figures. Similarly, 854 is 3 significant figures and 12 is 2 significant figures. Rule number 2. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. For example, 2005 is 4 significant figures and 4.08 is 3 significant figures. Similarly, 501 is 3 significant figures. Rule number 3. Leading zeros are never significant. They just indicate position of a decimal point. For example, 0.046 is only 2 significant figures and 0.009 is only 1 significant figure and zero point 0.8 is 1 significant figure. Rule number 4. Trailing zeros are only significant if you have a decimal. For example, 500 is only 1 significant figure, but this is 3 significant figure. The trailing zeros here are significant because you have a decimal point here. Also, 500.0 is 4 significant figures. Let's take a few more examples. 2.1390. So here we have 4 non-zero digits which are significant, and lastly we have a trailing zero which will also be significant since here you have a decimal point. So you have 5 significant figures. 0.500. This leading zero won't be counted as significant, but this trailing zero will be counted significant since you have a decimal point. So here you have 3 significant figures. Similarly, 650.0 has 3 significant figures since you have 2 non-zero digits and a trailing zero with decimal. So you have 3 significant figures. Now 678.02400. These non-zero digits are significant, and this zero between two non-zero digits will also be significant. And again we have two non-zero digits, and lastly trailing zeros. These trailing zeros will also be significant since you have a decimal point here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 significant figures. Now 0.40001 will have 1, and the zeros between non-zero digits are also significant. So 1 plus 3, 4, and lastly 5. 5 significant figures. Now lastly, 0.0002 only has 1 significant figure, since these leading zeros are never significant. Now determine the number of significant figures in the following numbers and give your answers in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.